Hi and welcome to CADvantage. Today I'm going to work on the piston cap in Fusion 360. Dimensions here are in inches. It has a wall thickness of 0.25 inches. So I'm going to start off with a new design and I'm going to change my units here to inches. Click OK, and I'm going to start my first sketch here. So I'm going to pick this plane and I'm going to start off with a circle, center diameter with the center at the origin and a diameter of 5.75 inches, and I'm going to finish the sketch and I'm going to extrude that using a distance of 1.5 inches. And now I'm going to use the shell command. So I want to hollow it out, which means that I'll remove material from a part interior, creating a hollow cavity with a wall of thickness 0.25. So I'm going to create that 0.25, and I'm going to start another sketch on this face. I'm going to create a sketch here and I'll begin with another circle, center diameter, again the center of the origin and a diameter of 4.25 inches. I'm going to click on this circle and I'm going to change the line type to construction. Going to draw another circle, center diameter at the intersection of this axis right here and the circle with the construction line. So right here is my center point for the circle. Diameter is 0.5 inches. I'm going to use the circular pattern tool and I'm going to select the object. So select that. Next I'm going to select the center point. So click here and click the center point. Distribution is full. Go on to T. I'm going with 8 and press OK. And now I'm going back to my home view and going to finish that sketch. Now I'm going to extrude all of these circles. So I'm going to select that using my selection window. So I've got 8 profiles selected and I'm going with a cut for the operation. For extend type, I'm going through all and flip that, and that creates all of the 8 holes on the bottom face. And now we've got these right here at the top. So what I'm going to do is select this face, right click, and you want to create a new sketch on that face. And the first thing I will do is use project geometry. So I'm going to click here and select project geometry. I'm going to select that circle. I'm going to select this circle and I'm going to click OK. Create a circle. So I'm going with circle, center diameter. Pick that and I'm going to use a diameter of 1 inch. Next I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to go along this and pick the quadrant here and draw a line here. So you want to make sure that the line is vertical. If it's not, you can apply the constraint from here and make sure that the line is indeed vertical. Another line, same thing, you want to pick the quadrant of this circle and the line needs to be vertical. I'm going to trim this and this. I'm also going to trim this circle. So got this shape right here, and now I'm going to use a circular pattern again. So what I'm going to do is go to circular pattern tool. I'm going to select all of this here. So it says it's got 10 objects selected, and then I'm going to pick a center point. So I'm going to click on select here, pick this center point. This time going with the full distribution. For quantity I'm going with 4. Click OK, and I'm going to finish my sketch. Go to my home view, and now you want to extrude this, so you want to make sure that you select the space between this, leaving the circle at the interior out of the selection. So you want to select that and that and that and that. And for the extent, you want a distance of 0.25, but in the direction opposite to that. So I'm going with negative 0.25, and that completes the piston cap.